In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best hoverboard seat attachments that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. ULIKEIT Hoverboard Seat Attachment. The ULIKEIT Hoverboard Seat Attachment will let you cruise downhill with the ease of a sparrow. No, that analogy does not make sense to me either. However, my point is that if you want maneuverability to your heart's content, then this hoverboard attachment is for you. The HoovyKart has 2 perfectly placed handles which make steering a lot easier. It also has 2 Velcro straps which are used to attach the hoverboard itself. Of course, the seat comes in a few different colors, so you can mix and match with your personal self-balancing scooter. Number 2. HoovyKart Conversion Kit. The HoovyKart Conversion Kit is a safe and fun little hovercart that is perfect for children. The design of this hoverboard seat is nothing unusual. You have 2 perfectly placed handles with padded foam, each of which provides a comfortable grip, allowing for smoother steering, as well as 2 foot pads. While they might not be as good as the Goboan hovercart, they are still top tier. The leg bar connecting the foot pads to the main body is adjustable, meaning you can fit it to your comfort or your child's. While the front wheel provides a 360 degrees rotation, it will be easier to turn in whichever direction you are going. Number 3. Hover One Raptor Hoverboard Buggy Attachment. The Hover One Raptor makes you feel like you are riding a sports car, partly due to the slick design but mostly because of the dual boosters at the back. The boosters themselves don't do much apart from glow with some bright LED lights and roar like a race car. You can see how the Hover One quickly became my nephew's favorite. However, while the boosters may seem like a gimmick, the rest of the hoverboard attachment does not. Despite being made of a single plastic piece, the seat is decently comfy, and the handlebars, while a bit too low for my liking, are padded for extra comfort. Number 4. Jetson JetKart Hoverboard Attachment. The Jetson JetKart Hoverboard Attachment, despite probably being inspired by a very old kids' TV show, is actually a top-tier hovercart. It has a laid-back design, and the seat is optimized for relaxation. Now, this is my own opinion, but from what I have seen and tested, this has to be the best single-piece seat so far. The curvature is designed to fit any body type, and despite lacking some much-needed cushioning, you won't notice any discomfort until you have sat for at least an hour, which is much better than some of the other models. Number 5. Hover One Beast Buggy. While we are on the topic of off-road hoverboard kits, we have the second of the 3 Hover One brothers, and that is the Hover One Beast Buggy. To quote my nephew when he first saw this monstrosity, wow. The first part you should know about the Beast Buggy is that it only works with 10-inch hoverboards, in other words, off-road ones. Needless to say, this is one of the bigger entries on this list and certainly one of the heaviest. The design starts off simple enough with a standard single-piece hoverboard seat. However, you soon find yourself staring at 2 large shock absorber coils on either side and realize that this hovercart is far from simple.